Hi guys, today we're going to make sweetened ripe banana. The ingredients are 3 cups of water, put it in a pot, 10 pieces of ripe banana slice, peel the banana and slice according to your preference, vanilla flavor or extra, pinch of salt. You mix 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of Muscovado sugar. Pour the mixed brown sugar and Muscovado sugar into the pot. Mix well. Put into maximum heat. Wait until it boils. Put 3 drops of vanilla extract. Boil. Put the bananas into the pot. And mix thoroughly. Wait around 15 minutes or the water becomes sticky. When it's sticky, put a pinch of salt and simmer for another 2 minutes. And now, your sweetened ripe banana is ready. And it's good for dessert. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.